How to remove my Facebook account from other devices. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove your Facebook account from any other device. If you've logged into Facebook on a shared device or a device you no longer use, I'll walk you through the steps to log out and keep your account secure. So let's get started. First things first, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet and make sure you're logged into the Facebook account you want to manage. Now, tap on the bottom left corner and go to settings and privacy. From there, click on settings. Now in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on security and login if you can find it over here. If not, go to see more in account center. Here you can tap on password and security. In security check section, simply tap on where you're logged in, tap on it, and here you can simply find your phone wherever you have logged in. If you simply find a specific device which you do not recognize, simply tap on it and click on delete. Now let's do it. Simply select devices to log out and choose whichever device you do not find it. Click on log out. Now, if you want to log out from all devices, you can simply click on log out, select device to log out and click on select all and simply delete or log out from all the accounts or all the phones. And that's it. Now you know how to remove your Facebook account from other devices and secure it as well.